Hello everyone, I'm Layman with MI Windows and Doors, and this is Windows 101. Here at MI, we take great pride in producing some of the finest windows and doors on the market. However, should an issue arise, we have an outstanding customer service department standing by ready to assist you. To help streamline that process, in this video I'm going to show you everything you need to know and where to find it. When calling our customer service department, for any reason, one of the first things they are going to ask you for is the series number and the order number. This information can be found on the white window ID labels. If you have one of our slightly older models, you may find a combination of the MI Windows warranty label and the gold American Architectural Manufacturers Association label. Printed at the top, you will find the window or door series number, and in the box in the upper right is where you will find the MI order number. By providing our customer service department with the MI order number will allow us to determine the manufacturer's date and specifications on the specific windows in your home. If you have the two label combo, you will find the series number in the middle of the gold AAMA label and the order number on the MI warranty label. Typically, the label can be found in the header of the window or door on a hung product. Hung products would include single hungs, where the bottom sash moves up and down and the top is fixed glass. If you have a double hung, you may need to lower the upper sash in order to read the label. In our casement and horizontal slider models, the labels can also be found in the head. However, there are a few models of the slider out there where they can be found on the jamb. As you can see, things can get awfully uncomfortable trying to read the label, especially if you're trying to do it while talking on the phone. So, should you ever have the need to call our customer service department, you can save yourselves a little bit of time and a lot of discomfort by finding the information beforehand. I certainly hope you found this video helpful and informative, so until next time, I'll see you on the other side of the glass.